Hello everyone. So this is another short video to demonstrate the concept of using a logarithm to solve an exponential and using an exponential to solve a logarithm. You see these two equations that I have written on this note card, and we want to get at x is the point. And in my first demo, before I flat out solve these, I'm going to just let x be 2.8 and ignore the right side. And I want you to watch what happens in the calculation. So what I have shown you is that we have to do a log base 5 in this top one on each side, but we're not going to worry about the right side. I just want to let x be 2.8 and show you what that does. So yes, I am going to use my log base key. Now I'm going to put in 5 to the 2.8 power. Okay, so what I'm trying to demonstrate by letting x be 2.8 here is that it's going to pull that down in front, and then the log base 5 of 5 is 1. You see that idea? That's what's going on here. Okay, and that's a good numeric problem to demonstrate that. So in solving this, the x would get pulled down. Log base 5 of 5 is 1. Then you'd have log base 5 of 20 on the right, which you could use the change of base on. Okay, I will solve these out in a moment, but I just wanted to show you that that's that whole concept here. The other way, on the second one, is to use an exponential. When I say exponential, that means things are getting moved to the exponent position. So on this one, I'm going to type in 5 to the power of, okay, so how did I know that the base is 5? Because the base is 5. To the power of, and now I'm going to use my log base key here to demonstrate. Log base 5, and now instead of x, I'm just going to let this be 2.8. And I should see 2.8 on my screen again if I did this right. There it is. Okay, now in the work, it's going to be x. But that's how you get at solving an exponential and solving a logarithm. So what this would look like in a work setting would be this. Now you would just take log base 5 on both sides here. And the x comes down, just like we saw with the 2.8. Log base 5 of 5 is 1. So we can go right to the x equals here. Now, the right side, again, you can use that change of base formula on. I think it's really easy to do, even if you have a log base key. And whatever this would give you as a decimal. So just regular log, it is 20 over log of 5. You gotta double tap on these keys. So 1.86. And you can type that into an internet search bar, and it will deliver that to you. So understand you don't necessarily need a calculator. It's nice to have one. You should try to get one, but you can function without one. Okay, so there's that side of it. Now the other equation, solving a logarithm. So these both need to get moved to the exponent position, and where the base is 5. How did I know the base was 5? Because the base is 5 here. And then this is going to deliver to me x, just like you saw with the 2.8 in the video again. The challenge, and I don't have my note packet right handy here, is that you need to get it ready to do this in both of these. So you need to get the exponential, nothing multiplied in front here, nothing added on the end. You need to do some steps, some inverse steps to get both of those ready to apply, the rule to solve. Same thing down here. You can't have anything multiplied in front or added on the end. And that's the simple approach to solving exponentials and logarithms.